Hey Bookies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique if you're new, and in today's video I will be installing this bomb pink body wave wig from Amazon. The link for this wig can be found in the description box below, and also as always in my Amazon storefront. This is from the brand Colorful Bird, and it's their 13 by 6 26-inch pink body wave wig. And when I tell you guys, I love me a good pink wig. I've been searching long and hard for another pink wig on Amazon because I installed one in June of last year. And unfortunately, that wig is now discontinued on Amazon. I was really so sick because I wanted a longer length. But long and behold, I did find another wig, and I do have another pink wig coming very soon. It's a lighter pink, but I love a good dark pink. This wig is 180% density, and it is transparent lace. And you know how normally when you get a 13 by 6 or a 13 by 4, it's not a full frontal, but this wig right here is a full frontal. That's how I was able to do this nice, sleek side part. Because I love being a good side part, especially with colored hair. It just hits different, in my opinion. Overall, I would give this wig a 9.5 out of 10. It does hold curls well, which was I was pleasantly surprised. Adding a little bit of layers, and then in the back part where I didn't layer, it still held the curls extremely well. And the color is beautiful. I just wish that I had a little bit more length, so maybe the 0.5 is on me. I should have just ordered a longer length, but she was still cute. I've had longer 26 inches, so I think I'm a little, spoiled when it comes to receiving wigs, and the length is actually longer than what it is displayed as. But this wig was cute. She was bomb. Like, truly no complaints whatsoever. Shedding is normal with colored hair, so you're going to experience some shedding. Nothing too crazy, though, because I have had some colored wigs that just shed to the point where the track is, like, showing. And the wig is big head friendly in the back because I tightened it with the clasps, and it was still a lot of space back there. But overall, this wig is bomb. So if you want this wig, be sure to check out my Amazon storefront. It'll also be in the description box below. And last but not least, I am using my lace products. The lace products can be found on my website at therealbabyD.com. I use my So Clinky glue and then my So Melted melting spray. And I only need one layer for this wig. Like, she was held down. I went to the gym, I was outside, and my wig did not move whatsoever. So with my glue, you really don't need much. A little goes a long way. So yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping here. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Yo, Barbie dangerous. Bitches don't endanger us. You are over, you ain't in range of us. Cause I 1111 angel numbers. Fashions and Burberry rainbow. Looking like every designer fake mule. Front row next to the who's who's. Trying to build another Barbie doll, screws loose. They my rapper that can channel Big Papa and push out Papa Big Hole and Mother the year. Every summer I come out to walk, bitches make them disappear. But to me it's just another year. She ain't got the kind of flair. Let me see what I'ma wear. They gon' copy, I'ma wear mine clear. Heavy on the arms, niggas hitting from the back. Then he asks all this my hair. Yeah. Bitch, your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, that stay thick, beef with who, she got the right one. All these bad bitch, they got the like none. Kitty on thick, I got the tight one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These fat bitch you like is my son. Still on this rap shit, but I'm still sitting here, you got a lot to prove. Appreciating my solitude. Beef ain't my go-to, but I got bags of this bread from buying food. And I'm still queening, Chanel bag, they still swinging. Old hits, they still swinging. They let it flow, they still streaming. But it's kill season. You apologize, but it's still treason. Got me steaming like dry cleaning. Move on my timeline, no demon. Closed words ain't got no meaning. Cleaning this rap shit is bohemian. They work nightmare, they still dreaming. We just jacking, I'm still cool, and I'm still praying. You would too, if you knew how these jealous bitches move. Verse 22 by 22. They don't know the half till they cracked in two. So for me, wait, who? Broke a couple rap niggas' hearts in two. Now that my chat find an interview. It's clear to see they wanna be me. Hit the road, EXIT. My flow, they BIT. Shot stone, but IDC. Go home or do it BIG. My dome, they can't SIT. My crown, you can't FIT. I'ma tell you like a nigga told me. Bitch, your game, pop your shit. Face on pretty, ass stay thick. Beef with who, she got the right one. All these bad bitches, they got the like none. Kitty on thick, I got the tight one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These fat bitches you like is my sons. Still on this rap shit when I'm done. St. Louis. Heavy on it.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas, I'm looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause suck a bitch soul. Pound town, just left Pound Town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga he be out. Pound Town, just left Pound Town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga he be out. I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy. Where they at? Where the niggas that get ratchet? Where they at? My son need a new pappy. Too many bitches. Where the niggas at? I'm tryna get my coochie stretched. Yeah. I'm tryna get my coochie stretched, yeah. You know them dreadheads do it the best, oh yeah. I like a nigga with a check. All my niggas give me that. You know I'm sexy, I'm the best. I'm the shit, little bitch, I'm that. I can't say his name, cause he be cheap. I love you, baby. Yeah, and I'm the reason. Niggas love a bad bitch. Yeah. But Suki say none on my team. Pound Town, just left Pound Town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga he be out.
Hey yo, bet my name is Pink. I made him go get that ink. Let him eat it pretty pussy. Now he keep trying to ning. I'm pimpin' Pinky Ring. His ex is a swanky dink. I'm about to pop a thingy, then sip on this drinky drink. Hit the quick with my bitch's tip. Nigga with my tip. I'm a flip like 100 bricks. Get back on my lips. I'm a bitch. I want bitch and grits. Throwing hissy fits. I ain't talking about chicken when I jerk it with my tits. I be twerking on that tip. Cause I'm smoking every trick. When I ride it, choke his neck or missionary doing splits. Hello. Girl, guess who baby daddy poppin' they pussy in my motherfucking in Miami house. He like be stuck on his camel toe. Eat the pound cake down. I'm west up, booty hole west down.
Pound Town, just left Pound Town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga he be out.
I said certified free, 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out game weak. You fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop to this wet ass pussy. Give everything you got to this wet ass pussy. Beat it up, nigga, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard. Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a giggle, what is inside? Spit in my mouth, look in my eyes. This pussy is wet, come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised. That's roleplay, I went the skies. I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Make it cream, make me scream. I don't public, make a scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me. Jump out when you let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I'm run down on them, boy, I have a nigga running me. Talk your shit, bite your lip. Ask for a call while you ride that dick. While you really ain't never got a fucking for a thing. He already made his mind up before he came. Now get your boots, hang your coat. Fuck this wet ass pussy. He bought a phone just for pictures of his wet ass pussy. pussy. Pay my tuition just to kiss me on this wet ass pussy. Now make it rain if you wanna see some wet ass pussy.
Look, I need a hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke. Not a garden snake, I need a king cobra with a hook in it, hope it lead over. He got some money, then that's where I'm headed. Pussy ain't run, just like his credit. He got a beard when I'm tryna wet it. I let him taste it, now he diabetic. I don't wanna spit, I wanna go, I wanna gag, I wanna choke. I want you to touch that little dangly thing that's swinging the back of my throat. My head can inspire, when I need the sun, it's going and dry, it's coming outside. Yeah, I run on that thing, the cuz behind me. I spit on his mic and I hear tryna sign me.
Your Honor, I'm a freak bitch, handcuffs, leashes. Switch my wig, make him feel like he's cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat. In a gold chain, I'm the one that eat you. If he ate my ass, he's a bottom beater. Big D stand for big demeanor. I can make you bust before I ever meet you. If it don't hang, then he can't bang. You can't hurt my feelings, but I like pain. If you fuck me and ask who's is it when I ride the dick, I'ma spell my name.
Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a moon with this wet ass pussy. Everything you got with this wet ass pussy. Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet ass pussy. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet ass pussy. I'm talking wop, wop, wop. That's some wet ass pussy. Macaroni in a pot. That's some wet ass pussy. Huh?
In my way, crying every day. I was losing my way, crying every day.
When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots, I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga not your bitch. Nigga not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole time this shit like 3 and 0 twin. Bitch, I be growing in. Bitches clearly want my life and it's so evident. Cook, clean and fuck 'em right, I'm so heaven sent. What I look like asking him about another bitch? Like tell you once, won't tell you twice. And post that up, we be alright. See, I gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight fast. Yeah, these hoes sweet as apple pie. Ain't got no car, so hoes they ride. But bro say y'all can't even do that. What? Why? How? When? Where? Just let me know how you wanna play it. Bitch, you know I'm there. If it was smoke, then I would say it. Bitch, I'm crystal clear. Left my pennies at his mansion like a souvenir. When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Broken. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga not your bitch. Broken. Nigga not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole time this shit like 3 and 0 twin. Bitches can't be fucked with. Hoes ain't talking about nothing. Every time I look up, I'm the topic of discussion. I'm in a fad for me to give a fuck. You gon' let him plead his case. A bitch like me can't go for nothing. Huh? Know what's in my cup. When I leave the club, consider that nigga fuck. When you mention me, don't forget rich and fuck. Pussy squeaky clean, but I got junk up in the trunk. When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Broken. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga not your bitch. Broken. Nigga not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole time this shit like 3 and 0 twin.
The real.
It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up with my shows. Yeah, cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows.
thick what? Giving what? Whiplash, okay? But yes, this is the final look of the install. She came out super cute. I love me a good side part with some body wave curls, especially with colored hair. Like, y'all should already know by now, but the side part, I'm going. Colored hair of any sort, I'm also going. Like, you just can't get no better than this. But like I said, this wig can be found in my Amazon storefront or in the description box below. And all the products I use can be found down in the description box below as well. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think of this install. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for my next video. See you then. Bye.